Hi everybody. I wanted to pop in here and I want to show you what I'm doing with this scrapbooking page that I have. It's been sitting on my desk because I had plans for it. And this is a page that I created for a work-related documenting thing. This was not a documenting thing, just a thing. Like it was a paper, it's my paper party that I do with a friend with all the new paper from the Stampin' Up! Catalog. And I made this for that and showed how to put together a simple page. And you guys know that I do this. I call them simply layered pages, where you can put together a traditional page without any photos, and then you can add your photos later. So I had put this together, and it was very plain because I was just using Stampin' Up! Products. There was nothing else that I was using. So I used the designer paper and some ribbon and then some die cuts. So what I want to do now is I want to show you guys how I am going to take this page and spruce it up and add photos, because I have a lot of documenting, you know, supplies, and I want to be able to use them. So I know it's kind of hard to see like the whole layout. I was going to do one page at a time, but I think the bottom and the top, it's kind of cut off, but you'll get the idea. So what I have is I pulled out a whole bunch of items that I thought would work from Ali Edwards. So I have this July. I have some cards from the July kit, the July story page kit. And then I just have some items here that I thought would work. I don't know that this came in the July kit. I might have had this on hand, but I always have these kind of things on hand. So basically what I want you guys to be able to see are where the photos are going to go. So I have, these are the kind of embellishment type things that I know for sure that I want to add. And then here are the photos. So I'm going to add that one here. And then I have this one of Violet, and then this one of Andrew, and I think this one is going to go great there. And this one's of Violet. And then I have this one of Kayla, but what I've done is I've taken this photo, I took it into my Project Life app, I opened a small prints, the small print section of the Project Life app. I picked a 4x6 canvas that was horizontal and then, or vertical, and then that gave me a larger photo, and then I'm printing it 5x7. So I will put the 5x7 photo here. So this picture of Kayla will go here. That is 5x7. So that's going to work. So my photos will go there, and then I'm going to add this heart here. I have this July that I was thinking about adding there. I think that maybe I'll put best day ever here on this once I get that photo of Kayla. And then I have these sunshines. I have this bring on the sun that I was thinking could go there. Or maybe, yeah, I think it needs to go. I feel like maybe I want this here, but then I don't want this here if I put this here. Maybe this here. And then I do have these cards. If I put July memories here, I don't want to put July there, because I feel like I don't want it to be like July, 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 July. We get it. It's in July. Or I could leave July here like this And then I could put today's story. And that could be a really great place for journaling. And then maybe I use these for a different layout. Like maybe I take these and I do a different layout with them. So this will be really quick. Let's add our photos. And you can see that the way I've done all of the layering is the mats are 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. And then all the pieces, the ribbon, the die cut, are made so that photos can slip right underneath them. Like so. For this, I think I'm going to try to use this is my, let's stick to that. Yeah, I don't think it's going to stick, but it'll stick to the paper here. That's my Stamp and Seal Plus, so it's supposed to be a very strong adhesive. I wonder if you, like, see I got too much adhesive right there. Let me see if it is, like, removable like other adhesives kind of are. I don't know. With snail adhesive, you can just kind of roll your finger over it and it like removes it. I don't know that you can really do that with that, but that should be okay. So the heart is there. Like I said, Kayla will go here. So then this one is of Andrew and it's in 3 by 4. Like so. And then bring on the sun. I'm gonna put right here. And then I'll do today's story right here. That's a great place for journaling and brings in some of the white from the other side. Okay. I'm going to save that. And then I definitely think I will add the July right there. And to do that, I'll just use the Stampin' Seal Plus. And I'll add that there. And then the suns. I think I have a third sun because I think 3 would look really good up there. I think I have another one that's like a different type of shape. Or I could put this here. And then the sun's there. Yeah, actually, I think I like that. And then this sort of gives me, put it right there. So then we have 3 elements of blue, which I really like. And then I think I'll look for one more. Well, if I have another wood element here, I think that'll be enough wood elements. But then that will be, and these will go back to back. So I'll do a 9 by 12 and it'll go back to back. And then I'll add the picture of Kayla here and I'll just add these. So I'll add a photo of how this turns out here to the group and it'll be on the website. So you can check that out. But that's how I'm sprucing up this layout. And then I'm really excited because this will be really fun to use on another layout. These 3. And I think I'll find some photos for that. I have all of my projects out right now. I have my Project Life album and my One Little Word album and then this out. And I'm just trying to like wrap up some of these loose ends for July. So I hope you guys are doing well. This is a really quick kind of video where I just wanted to show you guys how I do that. This has been sitting out on my desk for a little while waiting for photos, and since I have a bunch of photos that I got printed, I'm ready to get those wrapped up. And then I'm also placing an order through the Project Life app to get my editorial pages, and we will start working on my Through the Lens album. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I will talk to you guys later.